showing you how to make this cute little apple. And it's very simple. And you can make your little apple any color you want. Just right now, I'm just going to use green and red. You will only need to use one green. And also, take one of your reds, wrap it around your hook 3 times. And then you take your 3 reds, put it on your 2 rubber bands, and then it should look like that. You take 2 more rubber bands. You do this 3 times. So I did it 1 right now. Now I did it 2. Now I did it 3. So it should look like this now. Now you see this very bottom hole? Well, I go through that. Now it should look like this. You take 2 rubber bands, go through only that hole, and the hole that we just went through, we go in it again. Now we should take 2 more, and then go through that hole. Now it should look something like this. Now you take your green, you go through every single rubber band. Now you do a slip knot, tuck it tight. Now you should have something like this. And if you really like this apple, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and, well, bye.